Welcome back to Inner Light Studio. Today, we are exploring the profound power of the sacred witness practice to achieve true emotional resonance. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by your feelings, this guide will help you transform your relationship with your inner world now. The core of the sacred witness is learning to step back from the thinker. You are not your thoughts or your fleeting emotions, you are the vast space in which they occur. By becoming the silent observer, you gain a perspective that is both peaceful and deeply empowering today. We begin by locating the emotion within the physical body. Where do you feel the tension or the heat? Is it in your chest, your throat, or your stomach? Give your full attention to that sensation without trying to change it. This is the first step toward true resonance. Next, we name the feeling without adding a story to it. Simply say to yourself, "This is sadness" or "This is anxiety." By labeling the emotion objectively, you prevent it from consuming your entire identity. You are the witness of the feeling, not the feeling itself today. Now, imagine creating a gentle space around that sensation. Visualize your breath expanding the area around the emotion, giving it room to exist without pressure. When we stop resisting our feelings, they begin to move and transform naturally. Space is the key to healing. Most of our suffering comes from the resistance to what we feel, rather than the feeling itself. Resonance happens when we allow the vibration of the emotion to pass through us like a sound wave. By being a sacred witness, you become a hollow vessel for your own experience. If you are ready to master your emotional world through these deep practices, please subscribe to Inner Light Studio. We are dedicated to providing you with the tools for non-religious spiritual growth and mental clarity. Join us now and never miss a deep dive session again. Moving from observation to resonance means feeling the emotion fully without being swept away. It is like watching a storm from a safe, sturdy house. You see the lightning and hear the thunder, but you remain dry and secure within your own center. This is your true power. When dealing with difficult emotions like fear or anger, the witness remains neutral and kind. Do not push the feeling away or judge yourself for having it. Instead, say, "I see you, and you are welcome here." This radical acceptance is what allows the energy to finally shift. Self-compassion is the secret ingredient of the sacred witness. Treat your emotions with the same gentleness you would offer a dear friend in pain. Your inner world is not a problem to be solved, but a landscape to be explored with love. Kindness softens the hardest edges. You can apply this practice in the heat of a conflict. Before reacting, take one breath and step into the role of the witness. Observe your urge to defend or attack. In that small gap of awareness, you find the freedom to choose a response that aligns with your highest self. Finding the sacred in the mundane means bringing this awareness to every moment. Whether you are washing dishes or stuck in traffic, you can be the witness of your experience. Every second is an opportunity to practice resonance and return to your natural state of peace now. Developing this intelligence takes time and consistency. Think of the sacred witness as a muscle that gets stronger every time you use it. Over time, you will find that you are less reactive and more present in all your relationships. Your life becomes a masterpiece of calm. Let us do a short exercise. Close your eyes and think of a minor frustration. Locate it, name it, and breathe into it as the sacred witness. Feel the resonance as the tension begins to dissolve into the space you have created. You are the master of your internal climate. Integrating this into daily life is the ultimate goal. Start small, perhaps for just 1 minute each morning. As you build this habit, the gap between an event and your reaction will grow, giving you the clarity and the grace to lead a truly mindful and balanced life. Thank you for exploring the sacred witness within Inner Light Studio. If this guide helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep spiritual insights. Watch our Urban Reset video next to practice your awareness on the go. Stay focused and stay sacred today. ****.